My name is Charles Specht. I'm the president and CEO here at Permission Network Insurance Agency. What I do are basically two things. I help insurance agents sell more business, and I help insurance agencies become more profitable in their growth. You know, what I've typically found as a sales coach over the last 12 years, 12, almost 13 years now, and 10 years even before that as a producer, is that it is really hard in today's marketplace and climate for producers to be more successful. The industry is changing at a dramatic pace. The way insurance buyers are buying insurance today is so completely different than it was 15, 20 years ago. Everything has changed. Therefore, it requires that insurance agents also evolve and change with what's going on. And this becomes a problem because most insurance agents don't really have any kind of sales training at their agency. Agency owners and principals are very often busy doing operations as well as production themselves, and they don't have a lot of time to spend figuring out how to onboard or train their sales team, which is also a major problem for most insurance agencies across the United States and Canada. Most agents, therefore, tend to spin their wheels. They're struggling because they don't know exactly what to go after. They don't know what to say, what types of accounts to focus on, what their scripting should be, how to set appointments. Even if they can set the appointment, what do they say when they finally get there? How do they uncover problems? How do they uncover the real needs that the insurance buyer has? What kind of timeline of services are we going to put together? How are we able to show the prospect what our value differentiation is compared to the incumbent agent and any other competitors? And then frankly, how really should we be asking for the business in order to, one, either win the broker of record letter, or two, to better position ourselves throughout the quoting process so that we're not just throwing mud against the wall to see what sticks, but that we are better positioned so as to win the business at the end of the entire process. You know, I work with insurance agents both in a few different capacities, such as digital courses. I have a group coaching mastermind, which is called 12X Commission Mastermind. I also work with agents one-on-one in a very personalized, on-retainer, 24/7 model. I am focused on helping insurance agents become more successful, to set more appointments, to have to quote less, but to win more accounts more often, to win bigger accounts. This is the goal, more profitability. I help insurance agents get from A to Z much quicker and to be able to actually write the types of accounts that they want. Not only do I work with agents in those capacities, but I also am retained by insurance agencies around the United States as well as Canada. When I'm on retainer with these different agencies, I'm serving as a chief sales officer or chief revenue officer for each of these agencies. I'm not only working with the sales team or a carve out of the sales production team, but I'm also helping them in a marketing strategy. We're putting together micro niches in which to focus on, and we are writing a lot more business around the country, not even just locally. And so there's a lot of different things that I can help your agency with, as well as individual producers. But at the end of the day, agency growth and profitability is the key. And so I'm working with insurance agents to help them build a $1 million or more book of business. So I encourage you, take a look around the website, see exactly what's here and what might work best for you. And then feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to have a chance to talk with you, to learn a little bit more about what your needs are and how specifically I can help you quote less and win more business going forward. Thanks so much. Take care.